Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Emerald air fryer. This one is 5.2 liters or 5.2 quarts. I bought this one at Best Buy. It was on sale for $50. Retail price is, I believe, $140. So once I saw it for $50, I had to buy it. I always wanted to try one of these. I feel like this one might be too big for me because I live by myself and it's 5.2 quarts, which is quite big. But since it was on sale, I decided to give it a try, and later I can just buy something smaller if I really like this one. So this one uses 80% less oil. It has a multi-function of fry, roast, bake, and grill. And it's very healthy, so that's my main reason why I decided to buy it, just so I can use less oil and be more healthy. The Rapid Air technology has a digital touch screen function and 7 LED presets. All right, let's unbox it and see how it looks inside. So we got the manual. So this is basically what it comes inside. It's just the air fryer, and then we have a little manual, and I believe it's a little recipe book. Let's see. Yeah, it has different recipes that you can try. Crispy Brussels sprouts, we got peppers, ranch kale chips. So there's like a few different things, but that's the only thing that came inside the box. It's just the air fryer and the little recipe and manual book. Yeah, let me show you guys how the basket looks. You need 2 hands to pull it out. It's a bit heavy. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna push this button and then you're gonna press, and then it pops up. And then to put it back in, you just push it in, and then you just move this button and you take it and then you push it in. Pretty simple, but you do need 2 hands. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta put it on 360 degrees for about 3 minutes. That's what they recommend. So how we're gonna do this is we're just gonna press the power button. It's already on 360, so we're just gonna set it on 3 minutes. This is plus and minus. It only goes by 1 minute. We're gonna go all the way to 3. And this is the temperature setting, plus and minus. It goes by 10 degrees. And once we do that, and M is for preset. Like I said, it has 7 different ones. I'm not sure if you guys can see on the pictures. Looks like some cupcakes, chicken, steak, fish, some other stuff. And then we're just gonna press the power button. And I'm just gonna leave it for 3 minutes to preheat, and then I'll show you guys. I'm gonna do some fries after. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put some fries. I've preheated this thing. I'm gonna add some Arby's curly fries, just to give it a try. I think that's enough, maybe a little more. Now I'm just gonna pop it in. And it says to do 300, we're gonna press power, we're gonna do 390, and we're gonna do 20 minutes. Default is always gonna be 360 and 15 minutes. So I'm gonna do 20, and then we're just gonna press power, let it work. It's a little bit noisy because of that fan, but it's not too bad. I'll be back when the fries are done. Alright, so you just finished cooking it, and it did some noise, so now we're just gonna wait till the fan is off. There we go. So now we're gonna take it out and see what it looks like. Alright, so they look pretty good. Let's put them on the plate. As you guys can see, it looks pretty clean, but I'm definitely gonna wash it. Looks like a little bit of oiliness. I didn't put any oil, so I'm gonna assume that's just moisture. I'm gonna put it back in, let it cool down, then I'm gonna wash it later. So this is how they look once they came out. So I had them for 20 minutes and 390 degrees. As you guys can see, they look very crispy, and trust me, they are very crispy. I had a couple of them. You guys can hear that crunch. Very crispy, did not burn at all. So far I really love it. I'll try some other stuff in the future. But for 50 bucks, you get this huge 5.2 quarts air fryer. I'll post the link in the description. It's on Best Buy. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.